Hiya, so today we're going to go very quickly over parabolic motion and what it means. So parabolic motion is whenever a object moves in a parabola as shown. So that's the name of that shape, a parabola. And whenever it's moving like that, there's some important things to remember. So in the vertical direction, there is a constant acceleration. So that means your velocity is constantly changing, but your acceleration is remaining constant. So that means you can, if you have constant acceleration, then you can use your equations of linear motion or your Suvat equations, whatever you call them. So that's really important. And then in your horizontal direction, there is no acceleration at all. So it's a constant velocity. So that means if it's is moving horizontally with 3 meters per second at this point, it'll be moving horizontally with 3 meters per second at this point as well. It just remains constant the whole way through. So if there's constant velocity, then there's no acceleration. You don't need to worry about using your equations of linear motion. You can just use speed equals distance over time for that one. Other important points to remember is generally whenever you're finding a time in the horizontal direction, or in the vertical direction, sorry, you're only really doing it for half of the parabola because you're doing it for it to get to maximum height or for it to go from a maximum height down. So that means that the time you calculate vertically, generally you have to multiply it by 2 then to get your horizontal time, because obviously the time to get up here and the time to get down here are going to be the same. More important things to remember: your acceleration here is going to be minus 9.81 because it's the acceleration due to gravity and you're decelerating as you go up. And then over here, it's going to be 9.81 because you're accelerating as you go down. And yeah, the final thing, just if you're doing, say, your equations for linear motion for your vertical direction, for this half of the parabola, then your velocity at this point is always going to be 0 because it's no longer moving up the way. And there's a split second where if it's not moving up the way, it's not moving down the way, then it's just 0. And then obviously it continues to go down then here. So yeah, that's your basics of parabolic motion. If you found that you need more information in this video, please let me know, but it's just good revision. So thank you for watching. I hope this helped, and good luck with your questions.